Travel is more than just a destination, it's an experience. But why should you have to choose between premium quality and affordability? At CityLaila, we believe you deserve both. Welcome to CityLaila, your gateway to premium travel experiences without the premium price tag. Based in the UAE, with offices in Singapore, Thailand, Egypt, and India, we specialize in inbound and outbound travel packages, visa services, local transfers, hotel bookings, flight bookings, group bookings, family vacation, or any celebration arrangement. Whatever your travel needs, we deliver excellence at every step. We negotiate the best rates for flights and hotels, ensuring you travel in style without breaking the bank. We save you time and money by offering the best deals on premium flights and hotels. Our global partnerships allow us to provide exclusive access to luxury experiences at unbeatable prices. Our expert travel consultants are the heart of what we do. With years of experience, they craft seamless, personalized itineraries that cater to your every need, no matter where you are in the world. Have a last-minute change or an emergency, we're just a call away. We have teams from different countries who can speak more than 15 languages, so when you speak to them, you will enjoy the discussion in your native language. Ready to experience the world in style without breaking the bank? Premium travel, unbeatable value, CityLaila, where luxury meets affordability. Trusted by 2,000 plus B2B and premium corporate clients with an industry-leading 93% retention rate. Our corporate partners save up to $100,000 annually, driving measurable ROI for their businesses. Serving over 2 million B2C customers worldwide, with 500,000 new customers joining us every year. Your next adventure is just a call away. Reach out to us and let's create memories that last a lifetime.